Hello to my friends, welcome to GT CAAD. Today we have the practice number 6. I can give a number 6 of 10 in difficulty, and it has just some tricks and you have to learn it and use it to another practices or any projects. Okay, here we have the drawing. Okay, here I want to start it from this circle. 30, it means we have the diameter 60 millimeters. It's the main body we need to start. You can take a screenshot of this drawing. Also, you can download the file in the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in description. Okay, let's go to the Solidworks. Create a new part. Choose the front plane, create a new sketch. And here you need to create a quarter of circle. Okay, the radius is 30. Also this line and this line, delete the points. This line is equal relation. It's a fully defined. All the line is black and it's fully defined. Here go to the revolve boss base. In the axis, this vertical line, we need to choose it and select OK. Again, choose the front plane, create a new sketch and draw this sketch. Here we need the 92 millimeters horizontal length of the line. Create the vertical line. Use the 3-point arc here. The radius is 32 millimeters. Okay, make a dimension. Here this length of the horizontal is 32. Here this length is, just click on the 32 element, it changed the element on this dimension is 32. Okay, make it, this one is for construction. Here continue the 3-point arc. Here again another and smaller curve is here. This curve and this curve is tangents. Okay, this element of the radius is 20 millimeters. Make a coincidence on this line, the center of the curve. Make a dimension and make a relation between the two curves is tangent. Okay, our sketch is fully defined. Let's go to the extrude boss base. Here the line dimension is 32, but it's in a mid-plane. Also its merge result. Until here we have just one body. We didn't divide our body in our future. Okay. Here select the front plane again, create a new sketch. Here we need to use the convert entities. Just right click on one of the curve line. Here select the tangent and click on the convert entities. Look, all line, that's our tangents. About together we'll choose. Okay, exit. Choose the top plane, create a new sketch and draw this sketch. Use a 3-point arc here. Okay, the end of and the first of the curve points are the vertical dimension. Make a coincidence on this line. Okay, the curve elements is the radius 32 millimeters. Also, we have the middle point, or you can click on the curve and make a relation with this line on tangent relation. Okay, continue our drawing. Let's create a horizontal line and vertical and close our sketch with horizontal line. Here the width of the horizontal line is 15 and our sketch is fully defined. Okay, exit the sketch. We have the two sketches, we need to use them in the here on the feature tab. We have the sweep cuts. In the sweep cut we need to define a profile sketch. This sketch we created on the top plane is our profile, and we have the path to cut through it is this path. Select OK. Okay, it's like a mouse. Go to the fillet, choose the amends 2 millimeters and select sharp edge. We have the 4 sharp edges and click OK. Here this face, select it, and we need to define the thickness. Here I set, we have the 4 millimeter thickness here, and we need to define it in the shell feature. Okay, if you couldn't find the shell in the feature tab, for example it's here, but you can find it just here, the search comments. Here the first feature we have the comments, just write shell, it comes up and show where it is. When you look on the show command location, look here with the red flash, shows you that where it is. Select on it. Here define the 4 millimeters is the parameter. It means we have the 4 millimeter thickness. Here show the preview, click OK. Here look, I need to section view to show you. Here between the inner and outer, the inner inside and outside of our parts is 4 millimeters. Exit the section view. Okay, here we need to create a plane on the top plane and make offset 4 millimeters about the front plane. Create a new sketch on it. Okay, back to the drawing. Here we need the 3 walls that they are 120 degrees all located to each other. Here create a inside center and write it 12 millimeters. Again create another circle, the diameter is 20, and you can use the corner rectangular here and create rectangular. The width is 4 millimeters. Make a relation about the origin. Use the midpoint of the rectangular and origin, connect it and make it this center line should be vertical. Okay, our rectangular, this line and this line are symmetric about the center line. Here just trim the extra line, for example this line, delete it. Choose the inside curve and make convert entities. Again delete the extra, trim the extra line. Okay, let's do play with it to find the degree. Here, this point and this point about the center line, we can make a symmetric relation. Okay. Here, choose the circular pattern. Here, entities to pattern. What we need to pattern is this line and this line. Change the instance amends into 3. Here, select this curve and this curve. Use convert entities. And here, trim the extra line. Finish, just need to make a fully defined about each others here and make a relation. For example, this line and this line is 120 degrees. Okay, use a trim to delete the extra line. We need to make a fully defined our sketch. Okay, we did it. Go to the extrude boss base and we need to make to up to next. It's automatically to stick our shape of inside curve. Use the fillet, 2 millimeters is okay, and choose the old sharp. Again, round fillet again. Change the amount 1 millimeters. Our practice is finished. I hope you like it. I will record advanced practices in future to improve your skill in Solidworks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and this file exists in the description link. Thanks for watching.